Hey everyone, welcome back. Using demo and tools to learn CISSP. My name is Chen Zhang, Microsoft Azure MVP, AWS Certificate Solution Professional. Let's take a look at what today's topic. We're here, layer 2 attack, and I have already demoed the cam table, ARP spoofing, then DNS spoofing, ARP spoofing, and DNS spoofing. Uh, I'm not separated and combined together in the previous video. And today we will move to VLAN hopping. And sorry, it's typo here. VLAN hopping. VLAN hopping is also a very classic layer 2 attack. First, we need to know what is DTP protocol. DTP protocol is a Cisco-only protocol to help to switch to negotiate the trunking automatically. Actually, I think the purpose to design the protocol is to help the admin, to the configuration, help using the switch DTP protocol to auto negotiating each other to make the trunk. But I need to stress, but it will be exploited by the hacker easily. Just look at this picture here to switch using trunk AO2.1Q protocol to encapsulation our VLAN information, and we have two VLAN, but the key point is if there is no authenticated or if the DTP is enabled, the hacker is very easy, to connect to the switch. Then it will decline. Hey, I am also a switch with DTP protocol, so give me all your information. Then everything will be exposed to our hacker machine. He will have the I can see the first step to connection. So if there is we can combine all the question together. If there is the AO2.1x protocol for our connection authentication. So the first step, we can keep the hacker out. If he can successfully connect to our switch, so the next step, we should disable the DTP protocol using the switch port no negotiate commander. So first, I will show you how to use famous hacker tools to simulate the attack. Okay, let's turn to our demo environment. Here, I want to stress first that the Kali I am using is based on Docker. So something may be special, different with the VM mode, because I have already told you that my total environment is in the Microsoft Azure and the Hyper-V. So the NIST mode for the VM and the VM inside GNS, which using the KVM engine. A little tricky, I think. Maybe I can show you later. I will record some video series to conclude the issue I'm facing. Okay, let's back to our today's demo. So I will show you first this is my switch, layer 2 switch, which have two VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, teacher and the student, and just one client, which will add to the VLAN 10. So here's 3 port, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 1 is to connect the Kali to my physical machine. So I have to add one cloud. Just this is the connection to just to connect the card to our physical machine, so don't be confused. Okay, let's see the IP. Just the quite simple IP address. 1.200. Okay, and let's take a try. Okay, we can ping to this address. Then I have already no, SSH VNC server set the VNC connection. Then we can connect to the GUI. Okay. Use default. All right. So here we will use a very classical tools. Yersinia. Yersinia. Let's turn on the terminal. Yersinia -G. It will open the GUI. Okay. So the first we will click the DTP tab and launch a tag. Just enable trunking. So before I click OK, I will show you my switch configuration. First, show VLAN. Okay, it will have two VLAN. I set the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, and show the port status of the E00. Show int E00 switch port. Okay, so it's dynamic desirable and negotiate. You see, it's negotiate. Okay, static status. So it's not apparently it's not a trunk port, right? It's not a trunk port. It's the access mode. Okay, or we can use show int trunk. Okay, there's no trunk from our switch now. Okay, then we move to our CARDI. Then okay, let's just wait something. Just wait. And then the network maybe will break for a second. Okay. Okay. Request timeout. So our VNC will break, but it will auto recovery soon. Okay. So let's connect to the CARDI again. Okay, you see the port status is access desirable. So let's move to the switch. Okay. Again, we can see here the port has been turned to the trunking, not access anymore. Operation mode, trunk. Let's make comparison before. Is the static access mode. Now it's trunking, you see. And we can see some our layer 2 VLAN information. Just this port has already joined the VLAN 10. So let me just ping to one address. Maybe this address is not existed. It doesn't matter. Okay. You see, it will capture all the layer 2 information. And once we got this connection and set our port from here to here by the trunk, so it will just simulate our, or I can say actor as our client machine, or sorry, our calling machine as the layer 2 switch. Then the next penetration, you can launch attack and send some AO2.1Q packet. Then you can connect to the VLAN. But maybe something wrong with my demo environment. I have tried several ways, but it fails. So I will give you supplementary tech article, and it will guide you how to set the another virtual network interface from our calling machine. Okay, I can drag the article to here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can see once we got the layer 2 information, we can set because now our card is not a computer. It's, the simulator is a layer 2 switch. Then we can set the virtual interface, just like here, auto Ethernet, and 0.10, maybe just the VLAN name, VLAN 10, set an IP address. Then we can from here to here.